in me. Maybe, but nevertheless, if you for once could just trust me, just this once, let me come through for you the way that you want me to. Let me make you proud. Let me show you the best in me. Let me give you a reason to believe that I can stand tall. And when I return, and I'm more than you dreamt I'd be, maybe then you will realize that you never actually knew me at all. Sure, I've made lots of mistakes. I know that I've disappointed you. Still though, whatever it takes, I'm gonna fix it, just watch me. Just you wait, I'll make it up to you. If it's the last thing I ever do, I will make you proud. I will make you have faith in me. I will prove that the way I used to be is all in the past. I will save the day and come back here triumphantly, 'cause I long for that look of surprise when you see your sun rising at last. The pride in your eyes when you see your sun rising at last.
Wait. Don't click away yet. There will be a cool little music video bit if you stay for the very end. So, please, stay. G'day guys, I'm AJ and welcome to Ginner Films. If you've never been here before, well, introduction kind of just introduced us. But if you like this video, then maybe watch some other videos. Or if you're just happy with that, then subscribe, click the bell. I do post every Saturday. I've got some exciting news. Well, I'm getting a new guinea pig. Also, Caramel has unfortunately gone missing, so I need to make a video about that. And we're going to make a new guinea pig cage, so yeah, lots of guinea pig cuteness videos that I'm going to make. I know that Caramel missing is a very bad thing, but I got to be positive because it's YouTube. And no one really likes a sad video. But since I don't know if I'm 100% sure she's dead, I'm trying to be as positive as possible. And we are getting a new guinea pig, and we're possibly getting 2 new guinea pigs, like another new guinea pig later. So that's going to be awesome, and I'm definitely going to make a video about that. And just like and comment down below about why you liked the video or why you didn't like the video. Just your thoughts on the video whole. I really want some feedback so that I can know what I'm doing wrong, how I can improve my channel, how I can get all these awesome subscribers and views. So please, watch other videos, share your friends, subscribe, click the bell, like, and I'll see ya.